What's up, motherfuckers? What's up, motherfuckers? What's up, motherfuckers? What's up, motherfuckers? It's AHWU.
This is AHWU number 176, and I'm doing illegal shit on roads in Poland.
26, 2013. It's chaos up here. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, so fuck it, it's happening, dude. It's busy season. Shit's coming out. It's crazy. Lost Planet 3. Lost Planet 3. First one was in snow. The second one was, I don't want to sit down. I don't want to sit. Fucking arcade game this week. Call of Duty Black Ops 2 Apocalypse. Ray is really excited about that one. Shell yeah. Shell yeah. Shell yeah.
Shell yeah.
In Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Minecraft. Hey! Pretty awesome.
Tower of Pips. Tower of Pips. Game night is coming up. Game night is coming up. How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes. Got nowhere to run. The night goes on.
Swiss fucking cheese, god damn it!